Tom mentioned, if you're on a calendar year, then your FDD will expire at the end of April. I'll point out, there's 23 or so states where you have to do some sort of filing and registration. And in those states, the expiration date may be different. A lot of them, it would be April 30th. California, for some reason, is April 20th. And then some states, whenever you register, it's good for 1 year. So if you registered on February 1 last year, well, you're about to expire in that state, this weekend. So it is important to just keep track of what states you registered in and the different expiration dates. And wanted to say a quick moment about the transition period, going dark and getting sales closed before you update the FDD. So, if you have your new FDD coming out this weekend and you had some people in the pipeline, that means you have to redisclose them with the new FDD and give them another 14-day review period before you could close that sale. If you're in a state that requires registration, there may be an extended period of going dark. If it takes New York 2 months to approve your new FDD, well, you can't sell a franchise in New York during that period. A couple of states have some exemption or workaround, but that's basically the rule you'd have to follow. It is common then, a lot of franchisors are scrambling to get deals closed before they get the new FDD or before the FDD expires. That always makes people a little bit nervous. I mean, there's more chance that something has changed or some material thing has different in your franchise system, and you'd be giving people older information. I know if I'm helping someone buy a franchise and it's March and I'm looking at the FDD from last year and information's 15 months out of date, from the buyer's point of view, that also makes me a little nervous. What's happened since then. I would always like to get the most current information if I'm going to buy a franchise. So another reason to move expeditiously on getting the FDD updated.